Masquerade saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in confessions and deep secrets. Channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takigira inye yabuditswa ne ZANU PF members muri Zimbabwe vabuda vachirivila the power struggle irimo mubato rezanu PF azvinomira mushe muri kurwirwa power mubato rezanu PF. Ndofunga there is a faction iripo ya president Emerson Mnangagwa pamwe chete ya vice president Constantino Chiwenga. So there are people who are now calling Chiwenga #1 yabuditswa one of my groups ZANU PF anzari takacreatwa ni vakuru vezanu PF muri Zimbabwe tikada kuwesta nguva inoita kuti mungonzwa nyaya iyi zvataurwa vachipanana mawarning team Mnangagwa ichitaura neteam Chiwenga kuti be warned muri Zimbabwe kuti mungonzwa nyaya iyi mwamadzi zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
Uye magroups tine magroups ari official takazvitaura kuti paPEC panapa we don't want magroups asiri official. Izvo kuti kuna vamwe vanozopinda muna magroups unopinzwa zvomusingazivi ende wapindamo hauhwisisi zvinoita Obama zvinokufungirai semasvingo province kuti musapinda mumagroups akadai. Takaona rimwe group panapa rokuzama kudivhaidha leadership yedu rakaitwa nomukomana anonzi Munyaradzi Shoko. Rakapinzwa vanhu vakawanda, vamwe vari muno, vamwe masenda wakomiti arimo, vamwe ma-MP arimo, vamwe ma-provincial members arichi arimo. Isi tirongoti gurupu iroro budai marisi. Vamwe vakada kujustify kuti nendangokandwa ndikazobuda ndozonzi Munyaradzi Shoko takataura kuti is not a member of ZANU PF. Wakadzingwa mumusangano. Munhu unotoita zvokurwisa vakuru. Isi tinoziva kuti president ndiwa Mnangagwa. Vane mavice avo, madeputies avo, vachiwenga navanhu navamuhandi. Iri gurupu tinoona zvinoudzwa kuti zvinonyogwamo, munonyogwa zvinhu zvokudivhaidha. Enderera kutotogwa mutevedzero womutungamiri wenyika achitsvetwapo potonyorwa kunzi team 1 team 1. Handimozviwisisa. Saka ndingoti semasvingo province indaundosecha vamwe unogona kupindwa usinganyanyi kuverenga maWhatsApp wokona kurumidza kuzvirwisisa. Chindaundosecha WhatsApp yako ukaona uri mugrupu racho wodini
zvinoumira mushe mubato rezanu PF and there is a plot iripo yekupanisha vice president Constantino Chiwenga nenyaya yekuvhara kwavada kuita president Emerson Mnangagwa's third term campaign. Pabuda pachinzi pane matensions harimo muzanu PF nenyaya ye-third term ya president Emerson Mnangagwa. Chinzi kutaura kwataita the situation is reaching a boiling point. Azvinomira mushe there is a plot to isolate and potentially sideline Constantino Chiwenga. This plot is within ZANU PF parties ranks muri Zimbabwe. My latest revelations akabuda arikunzi president Emerson Mnangagwa ane vanhu vake vari kuita meetings navo kufamu kwake kukwekwe ekutaura kwatupita zvikunzi the owner we-DCK butchery, DCK bakeries, and is the one akunyora mazita emaparty officials ari kuvisita farm ende zviri kunzi whoever asiri kuuya achazoterwa behind closed doors muri Zimbabwe. Yabuditswa the standard ichitaura iyo ichiti the simmering tension within ZANU PF over President Emerson Mnangagwa's ambition to remain in power beyond 2028 is reaching a boiling point, with whispers of a plot to isolate and potentially sideline his deputy Constantino Chiwenga emerging from within the party ranks, the Standard has reported. The latest revelations gleaned from ruling party insiders suggest that Mnangagwa's allies are orchestrating a strategic campaign to consolidate his grip on power, leaving Chiwenga and his supporters increasingly isolated within the party. The ED 2030 campaign, which has seen a flurry of public endorsements for Mnangagwa's continued leadership, is viewed by many as a thinly veiled attempt to weaken Chiwenga's faction and pave the way for Mnangagwa to handpick his successor. The campaign's momentum has been particularly noticeable in the lead-up to the ZANU-PF annual conference, scheduled for Bulawayo in October. ZANU-PF's Harare province has taken the lead in pushing for constitutional amendments that would allow Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond 2028, a move that has been met with mixed reactions within the party. Godu Masimirembwa said the most critical issue which comes is that the constitution of Zimbabwe must be amended to enable Mnangagwa to continue to lead beyond 2028. We are aware that there is a constitutional limitations. First of all, it says the president serves for a maximum of 2 terms of 5 years each. There is that window of extending the number of years for each term. Alternatively, we can remove the term limit from 2 terms to 3 terms or scrap the term limit altogether. The province's motion, echoing similar calls from other party structures, has fueled speculation that Mnangagwa's allies are using the conference as a platform to consolidate their power and marginalize Chiwenga. Adding fuel to the fire, Mnangagwa's farm is becoming a hub for ZANU-PF officials, with a register being kept of those who pledged their support for the ED 2030 agenda. Douglas Kwande, the owner of DCK Bakeries, is reportedly responsible for recording the names of party officials who visit the farm, a move reminiscent of the events leading up to Mugabe's fall from power, when his Mazoe farm became the gathering place for the G40 faction. Party members who come to show solidarity are not only from Midlands but across the country, and Kwande keeps the register of those who visit. The ED 2030 campaign has also sparked divisions within the party, with some members resisting pressure to chant the slogan. While ZANU-PF spokesperson Farai Marapira dismissed the allegations of divisions, his comments have been interpreted as a direct challenge to Mnangagwa's intensifying campaign. Marapira was quoted as saying, "We never had divisions as ZANU-PF. We have been united as a party. We have conversations, ideas, and growth. The ideas are only grown by conversations," Marapira told The Standard. Chiwenga, who has notably refrained from endorsing the ED 2030 slogan, has openly criticized the rise of personality cults, power pursuits, and factionalism within ZANU-PF. There is no room for factionalism at any level in the party. Our loyalty is not to individuals but to the bigger agenda, that of the party and the people of Zimbabwe who are supreme, Chiwenga said. His comments, coupled with his silence on the ED 2030 campaign, have fueled speculations that his faction is resisting Mnangagwa's agenda. The ZANU-PF Women League and Youth Leagues Women and Youth Leagues, two influential party organs, have publicly endorsed Mnangagwa as the party's leader beyond 2030. However, the War Veterans League, another influential constituency within ZANU-PF, is yet to publicly declare its stance on the endorsement of Mnangagwa's extended rule. According to a Politburo member, senior ZANU-PF officials are feeling the pressure to publicly declare their allegiance to Mnangagwa, fearing the potential retribution. If War Veterans chairperson in March declares support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa, it may further isolate Vice President Chiwenga, making his potential presidential ambitions even more challenging, the official said. The top War Veterans leadership has not yet communicated a position to support the president's continued stay in office, but then loyalty is about individuals and not an association, so it's up to the provincial chairpersons to declare their positions. In Masvingo, all veterans tried to object to President's 2030 rule, but they've been discredited as a bogus association. 10 provinces have been forced to endorse Mnangagwa's third-term bid, with ZANU-PF members who are against the extension of his term of office, expecting Mnangagwa to announce his successor during the 2027 Congress. The clear picture is expected to come out during the upcoming conference, a source said. That is when the music will grow louder and pertinent party resolutions will be discussed. But at the moment, there is no bigger issue than the presidential term of office. Every party organ, province, is strategizing on how best to prove allegiance to the president. Those who support the president are convinced that that the vice president want to topple him, so they are going to work to defend their leader. Very soon, party organs and president's loyalists will openly expose the VP on his shenanigans, said a ZANU-PF source. Ndonyayabulizwa the Standard muri Zimbabwe tingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi chakuputika mubato reZANU-PF. Who is going to be the president webato reZANU-PF mugore 2028? Tudzero zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.